You're doing good.
Look down, baby. Look down.
Look down. Very good. Oh, you get tickled. It's okay. You're doing good. You were cutting hair, Gabe.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Mommy.
Uh-huh.
That's his hair.
Yeah, it's his hair. Jen, I think like his face is gonna be round again. His face is gonna be round again. He's gonna look like a little boy. Okay, let's say hi to the camera. Say hi.